Sairam to you all, dear children. Today I'll be discussing with you new chapter. The chapter name is Mass and Density, Class 6, Subject Science, Part 1, Chapter 7. Now, let us understand what do we all mean by mass. Matter, as all of us know, is generally present in three states, namely solids, liquids, and gases. Whatever may be the state of matter, it could be solids, or it could be liquid, or it could be gases. Whatever may be the state of matter, it could be a solid or a liquid or a gas. It has certain properties with mass, volume, and density. So it could be any state of matter, whether it be a solid or a liquid or gas. Any state of matter will have these properties, namely mass, volume, and density. Now let us understand what do we mean by mass. Mass is the quantity of matter present in the body. Mass is the quantity of matter present in the body. Right. Everything in this universe has mass. So mass is the quantity of matter present in the body. Everything in this universe has mass. It is the basic property of matter. Mass of body remains same unless one adds or removes matter. If we carry 1 kg of rice and go anywhere on the earth, mass of rice remains the same unless added or removed. Mass remains the same, it will not vary. Wherever we go, we may go. Weight and mass are different. Let us understand this. If we take 1 kg of rice, its weight varies with places. Weight varies with places, but mass remains the same throughout on planet Earth, anywhere in any place. But weight is not so. Weight varies from place to place. Let us understand the reason for this. So to understand the reason for this, first we should know what is weight. Right? Weight is the force of gravity acting on mass of body. Weight is the force of gravity acting on mass of body. Gravity of Earth varies slightly at different places. Gravity of Earth varies slightly at different places. So weight of body also varies slightly. The Earth attracts all bodies with force of 9.8 meters per square second. The Earth attracts all bodies with a force of 9.8 meters per square second. So this is the force of gravity by which the Earth attracts all the bodies. So what is the force of gravity? It is 9.8 meters per square second, and square second represented this way, S star S, that means S square. But moon attracts with 1/6 that of earth. Moon attracts with 1/6 the force of gravity. That means 1/6 of 9.8 meters per second is the force of gravity on the moon, and moon attracts with 1/6 of the force of gravity on the earth. Okay. So a person weighing 100 kgs on earth weighs only 16.67 kgs on the moon. Right. So 1/6 of 100. So here is the picture of weight of an object on the moon and weight of a person here. The weight of a person on moon, if you see, it is 10 kgs. The weight of same person who is weighing 10 kgs on moon weighs 60 kgs on earth. So 1/6 of the mass of an object, or here it is person. So 1/6 of mass of person on earth is the weight of a person on moon. That means if a person weighing 60 kgs on earth is present on the moon, his weight is 1/6 of 60, that is 10 kgs on moon. So man weighs 10 kgs on moon and 60 kgs while on earth. Summary of the video. First point is mass is the quantity of matter present in the body. Second point is weight is the force of gravity acting on the mass of the body. Weight is the force of gravity acting on the mass of the body. And third point is mass does not change unless we add or remove matter. Fourth point is weight is variable. Weight is always variable. Weight varies from place to place. Fifth point is mass of the body is the same on the earth and the moon. Sixth point is less gravity, less weight. Less is the force of gravity, less is the weight. Okay. So what is weight? Weight is the force of gravity acting on the mass of body. Okay. Now, here are a few questions relating to the video. First question is, what is mass? Is it a variable quantity? First question is, what is mass? Is it a variable quantity? Second question is, what is weight? Is it constant? Justify. Second question is, what is weight? Is it constant? Justify in support of your statement. Third question is, with what force Earth attracts all bodies? With what force Earth attracts all bodies? Fourth question is, does moon attract all bodies with same force as Earth? Does moon attract all bodies with same force as Earth? Fifth question is, what are the three different states in which matter is present? Fifth question is, what are the three different states in which matter is present? Okay, so study the lesson, go through the lesson and then answer the following questions.